Are you getting YouTube TV playback error? Then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. A playback error basically means that the streaming service on your media player is having trouble playing a video. There can be other error messages that are shown within this type of error. Now, this error could be caused due to your internet connection, or maybe the video content is corrupted. Here is how to fix the error. Let's get started. Method 1. Make sure your internet connection is stable and active. Check your internet connection and ensure you are connected to a reliable network connection. YouTube requires a good speed internet to watch videos online. If your internet is laggy and does not meet the recommended speed, you will experience playback error on YouTube. You can check your internet speed following this link and contact your internet service provider and upgrade your internet plan. Method 2. Close and restart the app. Generally, restarting the app fixes the error if there is a temporary glitch. So, close the YouTube TV app completely and then restart the app to check if the playback error is fixed or not. You can also restart the TV. If you are facing this issue in a web browser on your PC, relaunch your browser and see if it helps. Method 3. Log out of YouTube TV from other devices. YouTube TV lets you stream videos from a maximum of 3 devices simultaneously. If you exceed this limit, you are going to get a playback error on the 4th device you are using. So sign out of YouTube TV for multiple devices except from the primary one that you are currently using. Method 4. Check your password. If you have recently changed your YouTube password but haven't updated it on your device, re-enter your password to fix the issue. Method 5. Update or reinstall YouTube TV. If your YouTube TV app is not up to date, this error will likely trigger. Hence, update your YouTube TV app to its most recent version and check if the error is gone. If not, try reinstalling the app to fix the error, as the app might be corrupted. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows.